Hello everyone! Today we're taking a look at a premium height adjustable desk, the T2 Pro Max by Maidesite. If you spend most of your day sitting at a desk like I do, you probably already know how exhausting it can become after several hours in the same position. Back pain, fatigue, reduced concentration. Over time, all of that slowly starts to build up, and that's exactly why height adjustable desks have become so popular over the last few years. Being able to switch between sitting and standing throughout the day genuinely makes working feel far more comfortable. And honestly, once you get used to a desk like this, going back to a regular fixed height desk feels surprisingly difficult. The T2 Pro Max is designed to make that transition feel as seamless as possible. With just the press of a button, you can instantly switch between sitting and standing positions without interrupting your workflow. So let's start with the unboxing. The desktop surface is shipped separately from the desk frame. Both boxes are delivered free of charge via DHL when you place an order, a very welcome perk. The Maidesite T2 Pro Max frame arrives in a box that appears quite compact at first glance, but don't let its dimensions deceive you. The package is actually extremely heavy. The box containing the frame alone weighs approximately 30 kilograms, so ideally, you should have 2 people carry it. Inside, everything is packed very neatly and securely. The manufacturer clearly paid close attention to protecting the components during transit. Every part is firmly secured, and all elements are organized into their own designated sections. The only real point of criticism is the weight distribution. Given the sheer mass of the box, the manufacturer might have considered a more user-friendly shipping strategy, for instance, splitting the kit into several lighter packages. After moving to a new place, and having to part ways with my previous desk in the process, which incidentally was also a Maidesite Model S2 Pro Plus, I decided to choose the exact same option for the desktop as I had before, the vintage brown finish. I've always liked this dark aesthetic, which mimics the look of natural wood. All desktops are made of MDF, medium density fiberboard, with a corresponding finish. White, oak, and black options are also available. The desktops come in various sizes. However, if you already have your own desktop and don't wish to purchase a new one, that's no problem at all. You can order just the desk frame, available in black, white, or gray, for 400 euros at the time of recording this video. The price will be higher depending on the size of the desktop you choose. If you have ever assembled a height adjustable desk, you surely know that some models can require 30 to 40 minutes of assembly time, sometimes even longer. However, with the Maidesite T2 Pro Max, the process turned out to be noticeably simpler and faster. The manufacturer claims an assembly time of just 15 to 20 minutes, and surprisingly, this appears to be genuinely accurate. The entire assembly process took me approximately 17 minutes. The primary reason for this rapid assembly is the new leg latching system. Now the motorized columns no longer require tedious screwing. Instead, they literally snap into the frame, forming a highly secure and stable connection. Moreover, this feature is executed with impressive quality. The structure feels robust, with no wobbling or any sense of a temporary attachment. Should you ever need to disassemble the desk, for instance, when moving, the kit even includes a special pair of pliers designed specifically for unlocking the latch mechanism. Overall, the manufacturer has approached the organization of the entire assembly process with great thoughtfulness. All screws and bolts are sorted into separate numbered bags that correspond perfectly with the instructions. Thanks to this arrangement, it is virtually impossible to get confused regarding the fasteners, and the instructions themselves are written with maximum clarity, even for those who have never assembled this type of furniture before. The kit includes absolutely everything required for assembly: hex keys, a screwdriver, all necessary fasteners, and even self-tapping screws for those who wish to install their own desktop surface, rather than using the proprietary one from Maidesite. Furthermore, 2 assembly options are provided, one for use with the manufacturer's desktop, and another for use with any third-party desktop. When using the original desktop, the process proceeds even faster, as all mounting holes come pre-drilled. Assembling the frame is an intuitive process. The metal uprights are inserted into their designated slots, and then secured with screws. Next, the main control unit is attached to the frame, and the cables from both legs and the control panel are plugged into it. Everything here, too, has been designed with convenience in mind. The cables feature distinct connectors, making it virtually impossible to mix them up. The cable leading from the controller, for instance, utilizes a connector resembling an Ethernet port, making it immediately obvious exactly where it needs to be plugged in. Interestingly, the manufacturer has also included an extension cable for one of the legs. This is because when the frame is expanded to its maximum width, the standard cable length might not be sufficient to reach the control unit. It is a small detail, but it is precisely these kinds of details that contribute to the overall impression of a well-thought-out product. I would also like to specifically highlight the build quality. All the screw holes align perfectly, the threading is clean, and I encountered no sharp edges, metal distortions, or other unpleasant surprises during assembly. Everything goes together exactly as one would expect from a device of this caliber. However, there was one minor fly in the ointment. The mounting holes for the control unit on my desktop were drilled incorrectly, forcing me to either drill a new hole myself or attempt to drive a self-tapping screw in using sheer force with a screwdriver. As for cable management, Maidesite clearly made an effort to help keep the workspace tidy. The kit includes special clips and adhesive cable holders designed to secure cables underneath the desktop so they don't dangle down. They do a decent job of fulfilling their purpose, though I wouldn't go so far as to call this solution ideal. For instance, there is no dedicated, purpose-built mount for the power cable. Consequently, if your setup isn't positioned flush against a wall, you may need to find a neater cable routing solution on your own. Nevertheless, my overall impression of the assembly process remains overwhelmingly positive. Everything has been designed to be as simple, logical, and user-friendly as possible, even for those who possess no particular expertise in furniture assembly. Now let's take a look at the fully assembled desk. Appearance is, of course, a subjective matter, but personally, I really liked the combination of the black frame and the vintage-style wood effect desktop, and from the very first glance, it becomes clear that what we have here is far from just another nameless €200 frame from eBay. The difference is palpable in every detail: the weight of the structure, the quality of the metal, the performance of the motors, and the overall stability of the desk. There are no sharp edges, cheap plastics, or any sense of budget-grade quality. Even the control unit looks neat, minimalist, and genuinely high quality. Virtually the entire frame is constructed from metal, giving the desk a very substantial and sturdy feel. The frame alone weighs around 30 kilograms, and once the desktop is installed, it is best to have two people move the desk. Yet it is precisely this weight that creates the sense of a monolithic structure. The Maidesite T2 Pro Max is designed to accommodate fairly large work surfaces. The frame supports desktops ranging from 110 to 220 centimeters in width and 60 to 100 centimeters in depth. At the same time, the structure itself remains versatile. If you need a larger desk in the future, you can simply replace the desktop without having to swap out the entire frame. Incidentally, the Maidesite desktop itself looks quite impressive. True, it isn't solid wood, and in terms of tactile feel, it naturally falls short of expensive solid wood countertops, but visually the finish is executed with great precision and looks very pleasing. This design choice allows the manufacturer to keep the overall cost of the set more reasonable without making the desk look cheap. I also appreciated the slightly rounded corners. Not only do they give the desk a cleaner, more modern aesthetic, but they are also simply safer for everyday use, especially if you have children at home or just want to avoid constantly bumping into sharp edges. The surface itself is made of a laminated material with a plastic coating, a feature that comes with both pros and cons. Among the advantages, the desktop is very low maintenance, the surface is easy to clean, resistant to accidental spills, and barely absorbs stains. For daily use, this is a truly convenient feature. However, in terms of durability, this material naturally yields to solid wood. Therefore, it pays to be careful with sharp objects. Careless handling could eventually result in scratches. Nevertheless, for standard home or office use, the quality of the desktop leaves a thoroughly positive impression. As for specifications, the T2 Pro Max is truly impressive. The height adjustment range spans from 65 to 135 centimeters, making the desk suitable for users of practically any height, roughly ranging from 155 to 210 centimeters. Particularly impressive is the load capacity of 180 kilograms, noticeably higher than that of most competitors in this price segment. The new 3-section lifting columns deserve special mention. Not only do they look more modern thanks to a revamped leg design, but they also ensure excellent stability, even at maximum height. In this new version, Maidesite has altered the leg structure. The bulkier section is now positioned at the bottom, while the columns themselves visually taper toward the top as the desk rises. This aesthetic appears significantly neater and more contemporary compared to previous generations. Most importantly, the desk remains truly stable, even in the standing position. Lateral wobble is minimal, the structure barely sways, and the motors themselves operate with exceptional smoothness and quietness. The lifting speed is approximately 40 millimeters per second, with a claimed noise level of less than 45 decibels. In practice, this manifests as a soft, muffled hum that is hardly distracting while you work. To further test the desk's stability, I placed a tray with a glass of water on the desktop and repeatedly raised and lowered the desk to observe how much the water would move. Surprisingly, there were only very slight ripples on the surface, nothing more. The movement remained smooth enough that you realistically wouldn't have to worry about spilling a drink while adjusting the desk height during everyday use. I also appreciated the fact that the control panel can be mounted on either the right or the left side. The manufacturer has thoughtfully pre-drilled holes to accommodate both options. I chose to mount it on the right, and I found it to be genuinely convenient to use. At the same time, the desk itself maintains a rather minimalist aesthetic. It lacks built-in wireless charging, hidden drawers, or any unusual extra features, the kind sometimes found on more expensive models. Among the useful inclusions is a cable pass-through hole in the desktop, which helps simplify cable management to some extent. However, if you require additional shelves, organizers, or storage systems, you will need to source those yourself. The new control panel on the Maidesite T2 Pro Max deserves special attention. Instead of typical touch-sensitive buttons, this model features large physical keys with transparent backlighting, visually reminiscent of piano keys. It looks truly stylish while proving to be far more practical for daily use. Thanks to the physical buttons, accidental presses are virtually eliminated, and the panel itself feels much more premium. A small display located on the side shows the current desk height, accurate to 1 decimal place. The controls are intuitive. The arrow keys handle raising and lowering the desk, while the numbered keys are used to save custom height presets. These presets allow you to switch between sitting and standing positions with literally just a single press, without having to manually readjust the height every time. And this is truly one of those features you get used to in just a couple of days. I had no trouble setting the perfect height for standing work, ensuring my forearms were in the most comfortable position possible. And yes, over time, you really do start working while standing more often. The benefits might not be immediately apparent on day one, but for me personally, it has long since become a much more comfortable approach, benefiting my back, reducing general fatigue, and even improving my concentration while working. I would identify the built-in reminder to change positions as one of the most useful features. At preset intervals, for instance, every 30, 60, 90, or 120 minutes, the desk can remind you that it is time to stand up or, conversely, to sit down for a while. Crucially, it does this not with an annoying beep, but with a gentle vibration that is truly hard to miss. The control panel menu also allows you to configure various settings, changing the color of the button's RGB backlighting, setting minimum and maximum height limits, enabling child lock protection, and managing other system functions. Admittedly, navigating the menu itself isn't the most intuitive experience. At first, you have to get a little used to the specific button combinations. However, once the initial setup is complete, you rarely need to access it again. The anti-collision system is worth a special mention. If the desk encounters an obstacle while in motion, it stops instantly and automatically reverses direction, thereby preventing damage. I specifically tested this feature using a suitcase. The desk began to lower, sensed the resistance, and immediately rose back up. The system functions very reliably and can protect not only furniture but also, for instance, fingers or other objects that might accidentally end up beneath the desktop. Furthermore, power consumption in standby mode is less than 1 watt, meaning the desk consumes virtually no electricity when not in use. As for the downsides, there is no built-in USB port for charging a smartphone or other devices. While this may seem like a minor detail to some, for a desk of this caliber, such a feature would have been a perfectly logical addition. To sum it up, the Maidesite T2 Pro Max left me with a very positive impression. It is a truly high-quality electric height-adjustable desk that feels thoughtfully designed in almost every respect, from the frame construction to the control system. Its primary advantage is, without a doubt, its stability. The frame is exceptionally sturdy and perfectly suited, even for heavy-duty workstation setups, featuring multiple monitors, a bulky computer, audio equipment, and other gear. Moreover, the desk maintains excellent stability even at its maximum height, and its 180 kilogram load capacity is particularly impressive for this price segment. I would also like to specifically highlight the ease of assembly. Thanks to a new latching system and a well-organized kit, setup truly takes minimal time and doesn't turn into a grueling, hours-long ordeal. Of course, it isn't entirely without minor flaws. Personally, I felt the lack of a built-in USB port for device charging was a slight omission, and the cable management system, while functional, still falls short of being truly ideal. Additionally, navigating the control panel menu might seem a bit confusing at first. However, these are essentially minor quibbles when weighed against the product's overall quality. I also appreciated the flexibility Maidesite offers users regarding configuration choices. You can opt for the manufacturer's proprietary desktop surfaces or install your own. Furthermore, thanks to support for various desktop dimensions, the desk easily adapts to different room layouts and usage scenarios, from a compact home office to a full-scale professional workspace. While the proprietary desktop surface certainly won't replace a premium solid wood slab, it looks perfectly respectable for its price point, remains practical for daily use, and helps maintain a highly attractive price-to-value ratio. Overall, the Maidesite T2 Pro Max is one of the most successful adjustable desks I have had the pleasure of testing in this price segment. It is sturdy, stable, highly customizable, and perfectly suited for working both while sitting and standing. If you are willing to forego an expensive solid wood desktop in favor of a more practical and affordable solution, this option is definitely worth considering. And that's all from me. You can buy it using the link in the description. Thank you all for watching. Good luck to everyone. Bye everyone. Ciao.